Hidden within nature lies a wisdom so profound it sustains every breath we take. From the silent strength of towering trees to the tireless work of tiny bees, every element is connected in a delicate balance that keeps our planet alive. Did you know that a single tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide each year? Trees are not just silent witnesses of time. They are living guardians of life. They filter the air we breathe, provide shelter to countless species, and release oxygen that fuels our very existence. Without them, the rhythm of life would collapse. Now let's look closer at the buzzing architects of nature, bees. Though small in size, their role is monumental. Bees pollinate nearly 75% of the world's flowering plants, including the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we eat daily. Without bees, our food system, and life as we know it, would crumble. Here lies the hidden wisdom. Trees and bees depend on each other. Trees and plants provide nectar and shelter, while bees ensure their reproduction through pollination. This partnership is a living testament to nature's brilliance, a reminder that survival is never solitary, but always interconnected. But this balance is fragile. Deforestation and the decline of bees threaten the very web of life. Protecting nature is not just about saving trees or bees. It's about safeguarding our future. Every choice we make today will shape the environment our children inherit tomorrow. The hidden wisdom of nature teaches us one truth. Everything is connected. From the mightiest tree to the tiniest bee, each plays a vital role in sustaining life. By protecting them, we protect ourselves and ensure that Earth's delicate balance endures for generations to come. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden wisdom of nature, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us create more inspiring content about the beauty and balance of our planet. Together, we can spread awareness and protect nature for future generations.